Good morning class. So today we start the exercise 7.2. So our topic is section formula. What is this section formula? Look at that. If suppose a line is given that A and B are the 2 points. The points of A is given x1 y1 and the points of B is given x2 y2. So C is the point where it divides the line in the ratio of m1 and m2. m1 and m2 are the ratios which are given in the question. x1 y1 is also given in the question. x2 y2 is also given in the question. We have to find the value of x and y, the point which is divided here, x and y. So point C is what? X is equals to is what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. We have to put the values only, and the y for y is what? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now look at the question. Now this is the first question of 7.2. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Now look at that. The point is given. This is the point A. This is the point B. Both things are given, and the ratio is also given 2:3. We have to find the coordinate. Now look at that. If -1, 7, this is the first point which is given in the question. This is second point B. 4, -3 is also given, and this point we have to find. Which one? C1. Suppose this is the point C. Now ratio is given 2 and 3. I will take this point as a P, not C. Now x1 y1 is what? -1, 7. The value of B is what? 4, -3. And the value of point P is what? X, y, 2, 3. Now only you have to put these values in the given formula. Now formula is what? I will not add the formula in the each and every question. So learn these formula x and y. So x is what? m1 x2. Now which one is m1? This one is m1. This one is m2. m1 x2. This one is x2. x1 x2 y1 y2. So m1 x2. So 2 multiply 4. This is m1. This is x2. 2 multiply 4 plus m2 x1. m2 x1, that 3 multiply -1 upon m1 plus m2. Now add both these numbers, 2 plus 3. Now solve it. 2 4s are, that is 8. 8. 3 into 1 -3 divided by 5. Then 8 minus 3 is what? 5 divided by 5. Answer is what? 1. Similarly y is what? Now look at the y. For y, m1 y2, m1, now it is clear, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 y2, that -3 multiply 2 plus the 3 multiply 7, m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Only you have to put these values in the given formula, you will get the answer. Don't worry about that. 2 into -3 is what? -6. 3 into 7, 21 divided by 5. 21 minus 6, 15 divided by 5. Answer will be 3. Now x point is what? 1 and y point will be 3. I think this question is clear for all the students. Now we move forward from the question number second. Second is what? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. It means what? A line is given whose coordinates are given 4, -1. Look at that. Now I will set the question here, then I will start. Now okay, the 4, -1 is given and -2, -3 is given. These points are given, and one more thing he said, this is trisection. Trisection means what? A line divided in 3 parts. So first part, this is second part, and this is the third part. 3 parts are there. So I will take all the parts as a 1 because ratio is not given in this question. Look at it. Ratio, he will not say what is the ratio in the question. So 1, 1 and 1. I will take all the parts as 1, 1, 1 because it is not given in the question. Now I have to find 2 points now. This one I will take P, this one I will take Q. First I will find point P from here, then I will go for the Q point from here. Now one more thing. What is M? This is the main question. What is M? M1 and M2. M1 is what? Look at that. For the P point, this is the point P, this is the point P, this is the point Q. Look at the answer, P and Q. For the P point, left hand side is called the M1 and right hand side is called the M2. For the point P, now left is what? M1, 1. Clear? For the right, how many 1 are there? 1 and 1, 2 are there. So what is the value of M2? 2. Clear? Now for the point Q, look at that. For the left one is the M1. How many 2's are there? 1 plus 1, 2. The value of M1 is 2. And for the right one, only one M1, 1 is there. So M2 is what? 1. Now you can put the values. For the X, M1, Y2. Now look at that. This one is M1. M1, Y2. That 1 multiply minus 2 plus M2, Y1, M2, Y1. The 2 multiply, sorry, first we go for X. M1, X2. 1 multiply minus 2, 2 multiply 4, 1 plus 2, that is 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, that is 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. For the Y, now we go for Y, M1, Y2, that 1 multiply minus 3 plus 2 multiply minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, that minus 3 multiply plus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 2 divided by 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is what? Minus 5 divided by 3. That the point is what? X is what? 2 and Y is what? Minus 5 upon 3. So point P is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Now for the point Q, M1 is what now? 2, M2 is 1. Similarly you can find, look at that, 2 M1 X2, 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 2, sorry, X2 we have to find out, 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Wait, I will set the camera now. Okay, now 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 4. 4 into 1 plus 4 divided by 3, 0 divided by 3 is 0. For the Y, M1 Y2, M1 Y2, 2 multiply minus 3, 1 multiply minus 1, 2 plus 1, that minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3, minus 7 by 3. So 0 comma minus 7 upon 3 is the answer. I think the question and answer is clear now. Now we go for the question number 3. Third question is to conduct, read carefully, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground A, B, C, D. Diagram is given, A, B, C and D. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. These lines are given, drawn, and the distance between is what? 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter. If you see that 100 flower pot is there from each other along AD. Now as shown in the figure, Niharika runs 1 upon 4th the distance of AD. The Niharika runs 1 upon 4th the distance of AD, and the second line posts a green flag on the second line. Okay. After that, Preet runs 1/5 the distance of AD. Niharika go 1/4 of AD and Preet go 1/5 of AD. On the eighth line, now this is on the 8th line. What is the distance between both the flags? What is the distance between both the flag? And one more question is there that we will do after words. Now wait, I will set the camera first, then I will tell the answer. Now look at that. Niharika is given by point P. Now first look at that. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. So what is the point of x axis? 2 for the Niharika. What is the point of x axis for Preet? 8. This is clear, means y we have to find. Now look at that. For Niharika is given by point P is 2. For Preet is given by point Q is 8. Now the question is for Y. He says 1/4 is go. Now how much distance is there? This is 100. AD is given that 100 meter. He goes 1/4 only. So 1/4 of 100, and he goes 1/5. 1/5 of 100. Clear? So 1/4 of 100 and 1/5 of 100. 1/4 of 100 is what? 4 and 100 will be cut. It will be 25. 5 and 100 will be cut. It will be 20. So the point is what? 2 comma 25 and 8 comma 20. So you can find the distance between P and Q by the distance formula. Remember the first exercise, that distance formula, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, then root. So 8 minus 2 plus 20 minus 25 square, then under root. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 6 square. 20 minus 25 minus 5 square, that is 6 square is 36, 5 square is 25, minus will become plus. 36 plus 25 root 61 meters is the distance between point P and Q. So half question done. Afterwards, look at that. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So suppose that they both come in equal, and the Rashmi will come and she posted one flag in the between. So where it will be? Middle, he say, means we have to find the midpoint of the line, and you know the how we can find the midpoint. If suppose P and Q are the points 2 comma 25 and 8 comma 20, and M will be suppose midpoint. Okay, so x1 plus x2 means we have to add first part plus second divide by 2. So 2 plus 8 divide by 2. 25 plus 20 divide by 2. 2 plus 8 is what? 10 divide by 2. 25 plus 20, that is 45 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5, and 45 divided by 2 is what? 22.5 is your answer. This is the midpoint where Rashmi posts the flag. I think now the question is clear. Now we move forward for the question number 4th. 4th is what? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Means now look at that, we have to find the ratio. Now the question is little bit different. The point A is given, point B is given. So A point is minus 3 comma 10, point B is 6 comma minus 8, and the C point is now given minus 1 comma 6. We have to find the ratio we don't know, so I will take the ratio is K ratio 1. Always we have to take K ratio 1 when the ratio is not given. Clear? We have to take K ratio 1. Now if I apply the x1 formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, what is the value of x? Look at that, the between one is x only, this one x1 x2 y1 y2 x y. Now the value of x is given what? Minus 1 is equals to m1 x2. Now this one is m1, this one is m2. m1 x2 6 into k 6k, 1 into minus 3 m1 plus m2 k plus 1. Now k will go there, minus k, that is minus 1. 6k minus 3. Now transferring is there, that minus 6k, if k will become there, minus 3 will become here. Minus 1 plus 3 is what? 2. 6k plus k is what? 7k. So finally we get 7k is equals to 2, and the value of k is what? 2 upon 7. So the ratio is what? 2 ratio 7 is the answer. So you can write 2 ratio 7. Clear? Now we go for the question number 5th. Our last question for today. Today is what? Monday. So question number 5th is what? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. Now the point is that x-axis, he said x-axis is the division. Also find the coordinate. Okay, afterwards we will see what he is saying. One more thing. Now look at that. If A is the point, B is another point. A is what? 1 comma minus 5 is there. B is minus 4 comma 5. Then K ratio 1. Again C. Now in the previous question C is there. If you see that C point is given, that minus 1 comma 6. But in the next question he say nothing. He say only one more thing, x-axis. So look at that. In the x-axis, what is the condition of x-axis? The point y. The point y is 0. I think you all know. On the x-axis, the point y is 0. So look at that. X point I find that m1 x2, that minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. This is the x. And y 5k minus 5k plus 1. Now on the x-axis, the point y is what? We don't know the value of x. We don't know. But we know the value of y. Y is always 0. So I put it 0 here. You can write in your own language. On the x-axis, the point y is 0. I forgot to write here, so you can write. Now 5k minus 5 upon k plus 1. Now k plus 1 will go there. So it will be 0. Now 5k minus 5 is equals to 0. 5k, 5 will be go there. And k is equals to what? 5 divided by 5. K value is what? 1. Now simply put the value of k in the equation number 1 and the equation number 2. So put the value of equation number 1 and equation number 2. So if we put the value of k is equals to 1 here and here, we will get the value of x and y. It is clear? If I put the value of k here, minus 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and y is what? 5 into 1 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1. Now minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 upon 2 is the answer. And for we already know the value of y is what? 0. But some are thinking I want to find the y, I have to find the value of y. So it's your choice. If you want to find, look at that. 5 into 1 minus 5, 1 plus 1, 5 into 1, 5 minus 5, 0. If you want to find, you can find, but the answer is 0 only. So up to question number 5 we finished. In the next class, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th is there. So I think you all have the books. Read the question carefully and do the question in your notebook. So from the next class we will continue the exercise and exercise will be completed. Okay, thank you class.